Have you ever seen a vehicle so clean on social media, you're like, I wonder if it's that clean in person? You really want to see it? Well, you know what? I got one here today. Let's check it out. What's up, everyone? It's Wayne from Fade to Black. I know it's been a minute, but it's summertime and people are crazy busy. I wanted to try to keep videos coming on my YouTube channel, but man, like I said, it's only so much time in a day, and some things take priorities over others. But I got an awesome vehicle in here today, so I want to take the time to show you guys what's up with it. Obviously, this customer redid mostly like everything on it. This thing is so clean. It's one of the cleanest old school Dodge trucks I have seen. Suspension parts are dialed out. Thing is repainted. It's clean. It's shiny. It's glossy. Dude, this truck is awesome. So you know what? I'm gonna do some walk around and I'm gonna show you what's up with this very clean Dodge truck. So we went with 5% ceramic all the way around, 50% on the windshield. This thing is dark. You definitely won't be seeing who's inside this vehicle anytime soon when he's rolling down the street. But I just wanted to show you guys this truck is extremely clean. So I try to give appreciation to vehicles like that because we all know to restore a vehicle or keep a vehicle clean, it is extremely tough. It's a lot of hard work. It takes a lot of time, and not to mention a lot of money to have a vehicle looking clean, to keep it really nice and keep it clean for the streets. It's hard to do. Especially if you're driving every day, it's really tough to do. Now, I don't know if he drives this every day, but the simple fact of the hard work and the effort that he's put into this vehicle to make it look clean, this thing is awesome. So once again, I just wanted to take the time to show you guys an awesome vehicle that came through Fade to Black. I feel like it's a privilege, it's an honor to be able to work on some of the customers' vehicles. I enjoy it. I like seeing what they put their minds to and what they create. You know, that's the fun part of being able to do this. I'm gonna put a link down in the description below to this customer's social media, so go follow him, man. I know he has a lot of things in store for this truck. He has a lot of parts in his build. It seems like he is definitely coming with it and building an awesome vehicle, and that's cool. That's cool for people building awesome vehicles in Wisconsin, representing and showing what Wisconsin can do. So please, once again, hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, comment down below, let me know what you think about this awesome Dodge. Like I said before, check out the customer, go follow him on social media. And once again, when I get time, we'll be back. But once again, like this guy, you better stay faded. You better stay faded. You know what's up. All right, peace.